Hi, this is Scott Schmarin, and I am looking forward to seeing you all at Hypnothoughts Live. Some of you I know, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you that I've never met before. I am doing a one-day post-conference workshop, the Quatric Formula for Success. It's the culmination of the passion of my life. I'm just like you, and I'm sure that almost all of you got into hypnosis and these other healing modalities to help yourself, and maybe even more importantly, to help others, that you have this calling to be a healer. I think of ourselves as artists, and that our clients are our canvas, and they speak to us and we hear what they say, and we have these tools, these paintbrushes and these paints, and we take what they give us and we create this masterpiece that helps them change the course and direction of their lives. And this is my passion. And this program is the culmination of 20 years of the work I've done on myself, helping me lose and keep off almost 200 pounds, helping me create a really successful business where, more importantly, I get to get paid for what I'm passionate about and create a structure that I can use and now you can use for any client you have for any situation. I want to share this with you. It is my passion. It is my life's work. Any of you that know me already know this. So join me on Monday, July 24th, one day. I priced it at $195. Why? Because it's so important for me to share it with you. So I encourage you to come. One day can make a giant difference in your life, your practice, and in your clients' lives. I look forward to seeing you there. Hope you have a great day. Bye.